Make personalized bridal robes with Cricut. Step 1. First lay out the robes and measure the areas to determine the size of the design you need to make. Step 2. Go to Cricut Design Space and open a new project. Step 3. Go to Text, click Font drop-down, select a font to use, then type in Bride in the text box. Step 4. Open up another text and type in Bridesmaid using the same font. Step 5. Right-click Bridesmaid text, select Copy, click Edit and select Paste, then set them aside. Step 6. Go back and select text, type in a name and repeat the same steps for each individual. Step 7. Resize all the text to the right measurement. Step 8. Once you have everything ready to go, click Make It and click OK on the notification banner. Step 9. If you're using a Cricut Explore Air, go to the Smart Set dial and select the material. Step 10. Go back to Cricut Design Space, reposition the design on the mat, turn on mirror and click Continue. Step 11. Place the material shiny side down on the mat, load it in and start cutting. Step 12. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, peel off the material, then cut it into smaller pieces. Step 13. Start weeding out all the designs. Step 14. Grab the robe, then place the decal where you want the design to go. Step 15. Place the heat press mat underneath the robe, then press it for about 30 seconds. Step 16. Let it cool down a little bit, then peel off the protective liner. Step 17. Now place the decal on the back of the robe, then go ahead and repeat the same steps. Step 18. Go ahead and repeat the same steps for the rest of the robes. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.